Google Play Protect is a built-in Android security feature designed to help protect your device from harmful apps, malware, and other security threats. While it automatically scans your apps in the background, you can also perform a manual scan whenever you want to verify that everything installed on your phone is safe. Here's how to use it and configure its security settings for maximum protection. Opening the Google Play Store applications. Make sure your device is connected to the internet so Play Protect can access the latest security database and perform an up-to-date scan. Once the Play Store opens, tap your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This opens your Google Play account menu where you'll find several options related to app management and security. From the menu, tap Play Protect. The Play Protect dashboard will appear, showing your device's security status, the date of the last scan, and whether any harmful apps have been detected. This page also provides quick access to additional protection settings. Tap the scan button to manually check every installed app on your device. The process usually takes less than a minute, depending on how many apps you have installed. If Play Protect finds a suspicious or harmful app, it will display a warning and recommend removing or disabling the app to keep your device secure. To make sure your phone receives the highest level of protection, tap the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the Play Protect screen. Turn on Scan Apps with Play Protect if it isn't already enabled. This allows Google to automatically scan newly installed apps and periodically check existing apps for security risks. Next, enable Improve Harmful App Detection. This feature helps Google analyze apps installed from outside the Play Store, including APK files downloaded from websites. By sending anonymous app information for cloud-based analysis, Google can identify emerging threats more quickly and provide better protection against unknown malware. Running regular Play Protect scans and keeping these security features enabled is one of the easiest ways to protect your Android device. It helps keep your personal information, accounts, and installed apps safe while reducing the risk of malware and other harmful software.